Or do I have
Once
to
again,
show up?
you're at the court, 34th District Court. So you're not in trouble if you're not here tomorrow. I just want to make it clear.
Okay,
All right,
yes.
because I'm not sure we can get the paperwork processed downtown in time to release you. So
Okay.
if you don't make it tomorrow, let's just. All right, gentlemen, are we ready?
We are, Your Honor. I appreciate your patience. Sorry about the
Yes.
delay.
All right.
Yes.
Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Schomer.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Alex Hill, P76961, on behalf of Kenneth Schomer.
Thank you. Counsel, you submitted a letter. Both Ms. Trolley and I have read it. Have you talked to counsel about your PSI?
Chance to.
All right. So counsel, obviously because of the timing, we didn't do a written pre-sentence investigation. Bottom line is, Ms. Trolley says he's eligible.
Great.
Yeah, yeah,
He's eager.
yeah. So anything else before I sentence?
I know that Mr. Schomer did want to apologize to the court. He meant no disrespect. But other than that, we appreciate this opportunity, Your Honor, and we're ready for sentence.
All right. Mr. Schomer, I don't know if you saw the letter that Mr. Hill submitted to the court, but if half of what he said in there about your changed attitude is true, then I'm excited to welcome you to sobriety court.
Thank you for helping me with this.
Bottom line is, it sounds like you are no longer the man I started dealing with 6 months ago or whenever it was.
Yeah.
I'm happy to put you in the sobriety court. So let's do this. First things first, counsel, I don't have those case numbers. You don't need them though. The two he's in on now. Counsel, I'm going to convert that 90 days each on 90 days concurrent.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So that should get him out, right?
Correct. And I do have the case numbers if the court wants. I can put them on the record.
Go ahead. Read the two of them.
So from March 12th, case number 24 HR 11648A, sentence was 90 days. And March 13th, case 24 HR 11182A, sentence of 90 days to be served consecutively. We appreciate the court making them concurrent because he does have 97 days in, not even counting good time.
Yep. All right. Now, Mr. Schomer, I've got to tell you this. And part of this is my standard lecture with people who are getting ready to go into sobriety court. But you're a special situation because what did I do? I just waived 83 days in jail on you. So here's the lecture. I've never walked the walk that you're on right now, but I've been in this business for going on 40 years. So I've certainly been an interested observer to hundreds of people that have been on the walk you're on. I understand with addictions that there are often slip ups and sometimes 2 steps forward, 3 steps back. I can work with that. What I can't work with is dishonesty. So as we get into this journey together in sobriety court, I can give you grace if you mess up. You're likely not to find grace if you just blow smoke up my butt. What that means is just assume that I know everything that you think I don't. So if you have a drink on a Saturday night and your color doesn't get called till Monday, so you don't test, and you hope you're going to get away with it, don't. Just contact probation Monday morning and say, look, I screwed up over the weekend. I just want to let you guys know. I can work with that. I can't work with dishonesty. Understood?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Understand this. You know I know how to punish people.
Yes, Your Honor. I see this.
That's what jail is for. Sobriety court is to help you turn your life around. We want you sober. When I say we, you haven't even met the team yet, but Ms. Tiroli and everybody else on the sobriety court team, they want to celebrate your sobriety with you. And we're going to bend over backwards to make that happen. But we will not have our time wasted by somebody that doesn't want to change. So you have to be brutally honest with us.
Yes, Your Honor. I feel like family now.
All right. So officially, I'm placing you into the sobriety court program. I'm sentencing you to 24 months probation, and fines and costs are, what are we doing for probation costs on that? 500. All I'm doing is the $500 because of the jail time you've been doing. I'm not charging you anything beyond, well, I have to do the 645, the mandatories. So that's 645. So it's 645. I got a couple mandatory fees and my oversight fees. All right. So next time you're in court, I want you to set up a formal payment plan with probation. Understood? Or collections. Through collections. Understood?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do we know when we're going to expect him here?
Well, if he could give you for our next review hearing on July 1st.
Okay,
I can get, should be able to get paperwork and everything sent down to Wayne County today so that they should be.
right. Are we meeting tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know that we'll get you released in time for you to be at sobriety court tomorrow. But if you're out tonight, if we can get the paperwork downtown so the jail release you tonight, show up tomorrow. Just show up. You're just going to be a spectator at that point. But I'd like you to meet the team and meet some of the other participants.
Okay.
All right.
Where do I have
Once
to
again,
show up?
You're at the court, 34th District Court. So you're not in trouble if you're not here tomorrow. I just want to make it clear.
Okay,
All right,
yes.
because I'm not sure we can get the paperwork processed downtown in time to release you. So
Okay.
if you don't make it tomorrow,
In this courtroom, the judge carefully listened to every detail before reaching a decision. The court showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while ensuring that accountability remained at the center of justice. The judge's words reflected the importance of responsibility, self-control, and respect for others. Rather than acting on emotion, the court relied on facts, evidence, and the rule of law. This case serves as a reminder that justice is not only about punishment, but also about protecting victims, encouraging accountability, and maintaining public trust. The courtroom once again demonstrated why fairness and law matter in society.
What began as a normal morning commute quickly turned into a terrifying road rage encounter. A woman testified that a driver aggressively followed her off the highway, pulled alongside her vehicle, and pointed a gun in her direction.